It's good to learn English.
Students, are you ready?
Better to start early.
It's time to learn something new.
Join me in reading the words we just learned.
Kaya it's best na sama-sama tayong matuto ng bago.
Clap if I say the cause, and stomp if I say the effect.
Can we read now? I'm excited to read our story.
I am too.
Dahil mas fun if we learn English as one.
We learn as one. Yes, we learn as one. Together, hand in hand.
Knowledge Channel, in partnership with USAID, RTI, and DepEd's ABC Plus project, bring
We
you
learn as one.
We Learn as One, My TV School. Simula March 13, Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. on Knowledge Channel. Your school anywhere.